Did you receive this annoying message or notification when you are trying to make a purchase on the App Store, download free apps, or use your Apple account for a payment subscription service? In today's video, I will show you how to fix this problem on your iPhone. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. The main reason why you are seeing this error message is because Apple was unable to charge your payment method for a previous purchase and you're sort of stuck. The two likely reasons are that your existing credit card on file has expired or is no longer valid. Maybe your bank has cancelled it for some reason. So all you have to do is actually just to update this card. To do this, go to Settings and tap on your Apple account. Tap on Payment and Shipping, and you will be able to see the default payment credit card. If your card has already expired and your bank has issued you with a new card with a new expiry date, you can tap on the card here and update the details. The other way is to add a new payment method. So you see I have the option of adding a credit or debit card, mobile phone, or Shopee Pay. Do take note that these options vary from country to country. As you can see, when I tap on mobile phone, it says mobile phone billing is available in Singapore only for certain telcos. So check which option is available for your country. And when I tap on Shopee Pay, I can log into my Shopee account here. Again, this could be different for your country where you live in. The other possibility is that you have an outstanding unpaid subscription service that is tagged to your Apple account. To check this, in your Apple account, tap on Subscriptions. Under this section, you will be able to see any unpaid or pending payment for subscription services. If you do, go ahead to make payment for it and your error message should be gone. The last possibility is that you are using family sharing and purchase sharing has been turned on. To check this, under your Apple account, tap on Family. Here you can see I'm the family organizer. Down below is the purchase sharing option. If this is turned on, there's likely a problem with the payment method of the organizer, and you have to check with whoever that is in your family and update or change the payment method to fix this problem. I hope today's video was easy to understand, and do leave a comment below if this video helped in any way. If you like more of such videos, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.